Hello and welcome back to my another unboxing video. In this video I am going to share with you quick unboxing and review Logitech M90 USB mouse. So let's take a look. So this is my Logitech M90 full-size mouse box, how exactly it looks like. Now I'm going to unboxing this box and let me see what inside this box or how exactly this mouse looks like. So I'm going to cut this plastic, this side, and then let me try to pull out from this box. You can see inside this box we're getting here some important and safety warranty things, and this is our USB mouse, which is Logitech. You can see this is the mouse, and here it's USB 2, and you can see this is also huge large cable, so it's really easy if you are using a desktop PC and if you're looking for a large USB cable with a USB mouse. Definitely this will be your better choice. And this is our Logitech mouse, how exactly it looks. We can see here this is the left and right click, and also we're getting here a scrolling button, and you can see the sound. So if you're pressing a left or right click, there is a sound appear. Many of you are wondering that is that mouse coming this sound. Some people they like, or some people they feel too noisy. And this is the backside view. We can see our mouse. The Logitech M90 Optical Mouse features an ambidextrous design to provide hours of comfortable browsing for both left-handed and right-handed users. You can simply plug this USB optical mouse to your PC and start navigating through documents and web pages without any hassle. Its high-definition optical tracking technology offers precision and smooth control. Play and plug simplicity. Logitech Mouse M90 is simple to set up and use. There is no software to install, and since it's coded, you can just plug the cable into a USB port and use it right away. High definition optical tracking 1000 dpi. High definition optical tracking 1000 dpi enable response smooth cursor control for prices tracking and easy text section. Comfortable, reliable control for your computer. Logitech Mouse M90 give you just the basic of comfortable, reliable control of your computer. There are no software to install, and since it's coded, you can just plug the cable into a USB port and use it right away. So if you're looking at a mouse with the budget and the heavy lasting, definitely Logitech M90 be your better choice. I buy this from a recently from a local market, which cost me around 8 USD. So within 8 USD, you're getting a beautiful, long-lasting with a large USB cable. So that's for now, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.